BoomPay Rent Reporting Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if the rent you are already paying every single month could quietly raise your credit score, unlock better loan offers, and save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime? Most renters believe their rent payments disappear into thin air, doing nothing for their financial future. But the surprising truth about credit building in 2025 is that rent may be one of your most powerful hidden tools, and one of the biggest names turning rent into credit power is BoomPay Rent Reporting. Today, we are taking a deep, honest look at BoomPay Rent Reporting in 2025. You will learn exactly how it works, what most people get wrong, how much it can really help your credit, what it costs, who should use it, who should not, and whether it is truly worth your money or something you should walk away from. And stick around, because near the end, you will hear the type of renter who can see dramatic credit score increases and the type who will barely see any change at all. Let us start with a reality that most people never talk about. Rent is the largest monthly expense for millions of people. In many cities, rent alone is higher than a car payment, higher than credit card minimums, and higher than personal loan payments. Yet for decades, rent payments did not show up on your credit report. You could pay on time for 10 years straight and still look invisible to lenders. That gap has quietly held millions of people back. BoomPay Rent Reporting was created to solve this exact problem. Boom is a rent reporting service that verifies your rent payments and reports them to major credit bureaus so that your on-time rent becomes part of your credit history. In simple terms, it allows your biggest monthly payment to finally work for you. In 2025, BoomPay has grown into one of the more recognized names in the rent reporting space. It partners with landlords, property managers, and renters to track payments and send that data to credit bureaus like Experian and TransUnion. Now let us break down how BoomPay actually works. First, you create an account with Boom. You link your rental information, including your landlord or property management company. You connect your bank account or payment method so Boom can verify that your rent is being paid on time. Once your payments are verified, Boom reports those payments to the credit bureaus each month. From that point forward, every on-time rent payment becomes positive payment history on your credit report. Most people get this wrong, but payment history is the single most important factor in your credit score. It makes up about 35% of your score. That means consistent, on-time rent reporting can have a meaningful impact over time. Now here is where things get interesting. Boom also offers something that many people overlook: the ability to report past rent payments. Depending on your eligibility and landlord cooperation, you may be able to add up to 2 years of previous rent payments to your credit file. That means you could instantly add up to 24 months of positive payment history. You will not believe what happens next, because for some renters, this can cause an immediate jump in their credit score. This feature alone has helped people move from thin or limited credit files into much stronger profiles, almost overnight. Now let us talk about the cost, because this is where many people hesitate. BoomPay Rent Reporting is not free. In 2025, Boom typically charges a monthly subscription fee, often in the range of around $10 per month, though pricing can vary depending on promotions, reporting options, and additional features. Some people immediately dismiss it because of the fee. But here is the surprising truth: if rent reporting helps raise your credit score even a little, it can easily save you far more than it costs. Let us look at a simple example. Imagine you are planning to finance a car. With a lower credit score, you might qualify for an interest rate of 9%. With a stronger credit score, you might qualify for 5%. On a $20,000 loan over 5 years, the difference could save you well over $2,000 in interest. That is far more than a few dollars per month for rent reporting. The real value is not in the subscription cost. The real value is in the financial doors that open once your credit improves. Now let us talk about who benefits the most from BoomPay. Boom is especially powerful for people who are renters with thin credit files. These are people who do not have many credit cards, loans, or accounts on their reports. Adding rent reporting can significantly thicken their credit profile, making them look more trustworthy to lenders. It is also extremely helpful for people rebuilding credit after mistakes. Late payments, collections, or charge-offs can hurt your score for years. Adding fresh, positive payment history through rent can slowly counterbalance those negatives. Another group that benefits strongly is young adults. Many young people pay rent faithfully but have little or no credit history. Boom can help them establish a positive credit foundation before they ever apply for major loans. Now let us talk about the limitations. Boom does not magically erase negative items on your credit report. It does not guarantee approval for loans. It does not instantly make you a perfect borrower. Credit building is still a long-term process. Also, Boom mainly reports to Experian and TransUnion. While these are two of the major bureaus, some lenders rely more heavily on Equifax. This means that while Boom can significantly help, it may not influence every lender equally. Another important thing to understand is that your landlord must cooperate or allow verification. If your landlord refuses to work with rent reporting services, you may not be able to use Boom fully. Now let us talk about results, because this is what everyone really wants to know. How much can Boom Pay actually raise your credit score? There is no single number, because everyone's credit profile is different. But here is what we can say. If you have very little credit history, adding consistent rent reporting can raise your score by dozens of points over time. Some users see jumps of 20, 30, or even more points after several months of reporting. Those who are able to add past rent history may see even bigger short-term improvements. If you already have a strong, established credit profile with many accounts and long history, the impact may be smaller. You may still benefit, but it may not be dramatic. The surprising truth is that Boom is not about quick tricks. It is about building a real payment history. Now let us talk about a real lifestyle scenario. Meet Alex. Alex is 24 years old and has been renting for 3 years. He has one small credit card with a low limit and very little credit history. His score is in the low 600s. He signs up for Boom, reports his past rent, and continues reporting going forward. Within a few months, his score climbs into the high 600s. A year later, he qualifies for better credit cards, lower interest rates, and a better auto loan. This is not magic. This is simply adding the payment history that was missing from his credit profile. Now let us talk about who should probably skip Boom. If you already own a home and do not pay rent, this is obviously not for you. If you have an extremely strong credit profile with many accounts, long history, and excellent scores, the benefit may be too small to justify the fee. If your landlord refuses to cooperate and you cannot verify your payments, Boom may not work properly. Now here is a mistake many people make. They think rent reporting replaces responsible credit use. It does not. You still need to pay your bills on time. You still need to keep credit card balances low. Boom is a supplement, not a replacement. Another surprising truth is that rent reporting can also protect you. If your landlord ever claims you missed payments when you did not, having rent reporting history can serve as proof of your payment behavior. In 2025, credit scoring models are evolving. More lenders are paying attention to alternative data. Rent reporting is no longer a fringe idea. It is becoming a mainstream part of credit evaluation. So, is Boom Pay rent reporting worth it? If you are a renter with thin credit, limited credit, or damaged credit, the answer is very often yes. The potential long-term savings far outweigh the small monthly cost. If you are a renter who is financially stable, planning to apply for loans, or trying to improve your credit profile, Boom can be a quiet but powerful ally. If you already have top-tier credit and many accounts, you may not need it. Here is the biggest takeaway. Your rent is already your largest bill. It already leaves your bank account every month. The only question is whether you let it disappear quietly, or whether you turn it into something that builds your future. Most people get this wrong. They think credit building requires new debt. But sometimes, the smartest credit building tool is simply getting credit for what you are already doing right. Boom Pay rent reporting allows you to finally get credit for paying rent on time. So let me ask you something. Are you letting your biggest monthly payment vanish into nothing? Or are you turning it into one of your strongest financial tools? If this video helped you understand Boom Pay rent reporting, make sure to like this video so more renters can discover smarter ways to build credit. Subscribe to the channel for more honest financial reviews and credit building strategies. And comment below, would you use rent reporting to improve your credit? Or do you still have questions? Your future self may thank you for making your rent work for you.